Hi guys, welcome back to the new video of Easy Tutorials. Today in this video you will see how to add attractive hover effect on buttons. As you can see on my computer screen, on the first button you can see this background color is moving from left to right. In the second button the background color is moving from right to left, and in the third one the background color is moving from top to bottom, and in the fourth button background color is moving from bottom to top, and in the last one the background color is moving diagonally. So it is very easy to add this kind of hover effect on buttons using HTML and CSS. Before starting this video, I will request you to please subscribe my channel Easy Tutorials, because I will be uploading more videos like this one on my channel. Now let's begin this tutorial. Here is my project folder, and in this folder you can see I have two files, one HTML and one CSS file. Now you can see my HTML file in text editor, and this one is my CSS file. I have already connected my CSS file with HTML with this line of code. After that we will come to the body area, and here first we will create one div, and I am writing one class name wrapper, and in this class first we'll add some anchor tags. So I am using a href, and I'll write one text here, hover me. Simply I will duplicate this one to create the multiple buttons. So after opening this page with Google Chrome, you can see all these links in the top left corner. Come back to the code again and just copy this class name wrapper, add it here in the CSS file. First we'll write display inline flex, left 50% and top 50%, text transform translate -50% and -50%, and position absolute. After refreshing this page, you can see all these content are aligned in the center. Next we have to add some space. For that, just copy this one, and after that write A, and for this one we'll write width to 20 pixel. Let's write height also 70 pixel, and text decoration will be none. So after reloading this page, you can see some space around this link. Next we'll add border 1 pixel solid and black color. Font size will be 22 pixel to increase the font size. Now you can see this border and increased font size. Let's write text align center, and line height I am writing 70 pixel. So now you can see all this text in the center of this button. Next we'll add margin 10 pixel so that it will add some space around these buttons, and font family. Let's change this color. I'll make it red color. And one more thing, I will add color. It is black. It is for text color. So now you can see these attractive buttons over here. We have 5 buttons. Now we have to add different hover effect on these buttons. First we'll add one span here, and we'll add it the same thing in the all the buttons. Just copy this one span and write it into the CSS file. Before that, write this one. Now I am adding background color and position. It will be absolute, and in the first one, in this one, we'll write position relative. For this span, I am writing width to 20 pixel and height 70 pixel. So after refreshing this page, it is showing like this one. Now we have to add some top and left. So just here we'll write left 0 and top 0. Now you can see this color is overlapping all these buttons. So come to the span and here we'll add Z index -1. And after reloading this page, you can see this color is showing in the background and this button text is visible clearly. Next, come to the HTML and in the first span, I'm writing one class name. Let's write to right because we'll add effect moving to right. So like that, we have to add different class name in all the buttons. So just change the class name. In the second one, I'm writing to left, third to top. This one is to bottom, and in the last one, I'll write diagonal. So like that, we have added different class name and just copy the first one here. Just remove this width and height from a span and add it here. So now you can see this background color in the first button only. Now we'll make it 0. Width will be 0 and just duplicate this one. Then write hover. Now this width will become 220 pixel. And transition I'll add 0.8 second. We have to add this one also. We will replace this hover from here to here. Now after reloading this page, you can see this nice hover effect on the first button. Next we have to add one transition in a span also. So I'm writing transition 0.8 second is out. Now this hover effect is showing smoothly. Next we have to add one color also for this button text. For that, just copy this one and anywhere you can write. I'm writing here color white and transition. This background is changing and this button text is also changing. Next we'll add hover effect for the second button. So just copy all these things and add it here. Change the class name. It is the second class, second span class. Here also to left. Now we have to replace one more thing. Just remove this one and add it here, left and top. And similarly, we'll add it here also. Instead of left, we'll make it right. So now you can see the different hover effect in first and second button. Just copy and paste it again and change the class name. I'm writing the third span class name, that is to top. And for this one, width will be 220 only, but height will make it 0. And instead of this top, we'll change it to bottom. Here we'll replace with height. It will be 70 pixel. That's it. So after reloading this page, you can see this nice hover effect on third button also. Now we have to add the hover effect on fourth button. So simply copy and paste it again. And this time we'll replace the class name. It is to bottom. And instead of this bottom, we'll replace with top. So after reloading this page, you can see different hover effect in all these 4 buttons. Next, just copy and paste it again. And here we'll write the different class name. Let's see, it is a diagonal, this class name. Just paste it here and here also. And in this case, we'll make height 70 pixel and this one height and width is 0. Bottom also 0. and here we'll write width 220 pixel. So after reloading this page, you can see different effect in last button. We have to change one more thing. Instead of this right, we'll make it left. So after reloading this page, you can see a very beautiful hover effect in the last button also. The background color is moving diagonally. So this was very easy to create this kind of hover effect using HTML and CSS. If this video was helpful for you, please like and share this video and ask your questions in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.